Missing person. Use your awesome skills to help the police track down a missing person. This is a hacking room on TryHackMe. I want to learn hacking because I think it's fun, and I think you might have fun watching this video. So this is the room. We have questions to answer. Like, what's the commercial name of the circuit? I have no idea what it's talking about. When did the event take place? No idea. He told me he had delicious Mexican food. What's the name of the restaurant? We're going to know, don't worry. And all of these questions. Good. Let's download the attached files right now and see what we have. We have 2 photos. And let's take a look at these. We have photo.jpg, which is this. I think this is the restaurant that we're talking about. We also have MotoGP.jpg, which is here. It has Pertamina. What is Pertamina? Let's search. My friend went on holiday in 2025 and shared some photos, but I haven't heard from him since. Can you help me track him down for the PD report? Sure. What is the commercial name of this circuit? What circuit is he talking about? He told me he ate delicious Mexican food. What is the name of this restaurant? So let's try and find the restaurant first. Zoom in right here. What is this Mexican something? We can use Google search with images to try and search. This photo captures the lively atmosphere of Cantina Mexicana. Okay, cool. I think this is the name of the restaurant. Let's put it here. Is it? Correct. Nice. And I forgot we should set the timer. Let's read the description. The room here says it's easy and it takes 30 minutes and we already use like 2 minutes. So let's add a timer for 28 minutes. And let's save, let's run it, and let's go here. Now, what is the commercial name of the circuit? I think it means this in here and this image. And let's just Google. Search it. Search by image, and let's drop it in here. This image features the Pertamina Mandalika International Street Circuit. Okay, I think this should be it. It's a lot of characters in here. Let's check, and yes, it's correct. Let's go. When did the event take place? The naming rights for the circuit have been extended throughout these. Tickets for events like the Indonesian MotoGP are scheduled for sale with a specific decision listed. I think this is in the future, so this isn't what it is, but there's a visual match right here. Let's try and open this. I have no idea what this is, so let's translate. It's Indonesian. That's good to know. It's November 19th to 21st, 2021. Oh yeah, this is our format, which is 19-21. November is 11, right?
Oh, good.
And that's 2021. Let's check. Oh, your answer is incorrect, but why? Okay, then what's the problem here? It might not be the same event. Wait, it's literally the same picture. It is the exact picture. Isn't this the format? It is. Images have metadata in them. So, image, metadata, viewer. Let's choose file. Let's get this. And let's see. Okay, so this is the date of the image. I think it doesn't have anything. And there is literally nothing here in the metadata. So I have no idea what to do. I think it should be in here somewhere, but it's not showing.
Boogie with it. Oh, what's that? The SpongeBob?
Okay. It's said to be on 5th of October right here in this Wikipedia page. 4th of October. So let's try both. It's still incorrect. Okay, we'll get to that question later. He told me he ate delicious Mexican food. What is the name of the restaurant? At what time was this photo taken? I think this could be gotten from here. Date, time, original. We have date right here. Let's try to submit it in here. And check. Finally, correct answer. He sent me a message. This is the last I heard from him. Went to the MotoGP after party and became friends with one of the local DJs who played that night. We're going to visit a cave tomorrow. What is the full address of the bar's location? How can I possibly know something like this? I have absolutely no idea. So it's MotoGP after party. Let's search for it like this. 2025 also. Okay, so there's a video. Surfer's bar. Okay, we know there is a bar, or there is supposed to be a bar somewhere. Let's see what's the full address of the bar's location. Okay, we know it's Surfer's Bar, so let's get the location maybe from Facebook. We also need the DJ name, DJ set. Okay, cool. DJ Banda. Okay, that's good. That's easy. We're getting somewhere. Let's try DJ Banda. It doesn't quite fit. So it's not it, I think. Alex Morph. Okay, so let's try Alex Morph. Good work. It's 4 letters, then 5. Alex Morph, check. And incorrect. Okay, I'm bad at this. Let's first get the bar's location. That maybe is in about... Yeah, contact info. Well, this is the bar's location, but it's not like this in here. It's like this. It looks... Okay, let's open, I think, Google now if we can. Let's get Surfer's Bar. This is it, I think, or at least it should be. Is it? No, it doesn't quite fit, but it's close, though. So we know it starts like this. Maybe you have to add this to it. Like, let me see this. So it could work like this. For example, I think you have this should work. Yes, it's the correct answer. Let's go. Now we only need the DJ stage name, okay? DJ, 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 DJ. I really hope it can get it. We don't have much time left. We only have 10 minutes. There's still this question and this, and 2 more. 2025 MotoGP After Party DJ. Let's just search for this. Missing person, let's open this, open this, and this. Let's check the comments. Maybe there's something in here. Who knows? Nothing. Good. And then here, nothing. What about here? Let's reread this again. What is DJ stage name? One of the local DJs who played that night, who visit a cave tomorrow. Okay, we need to get the DJ's accounts. So we get something, and we're going to have to get his number. Oh my god. Okay. Let's open their page. There might be something in here. Oh my god. Okay. So, DJ said this. Bongley? I'm sorry, I know I'm murdering the name, but this is how I can read it. Bonglile. That's 4 letters behind it. There is 5 letters, so I think this could be it. Let's see. Bongley. Is that correct? It is correct. Let's go. We are digging into the DJ's other online accounts. What cave does he take tourists to? Okay, let's search about his accounts. Bongley. Okay. And let's see. What accounts does he have? Okay, let's just open this. Open this. Maybe it has the mobile number? Yes. Let's see this. This matches right here. Full number, no country code. So plus 62 isn't with us, this is with us. And let's remove this and this. Let's check. Let's go. How much time do we have? We only have 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Only for this in the question from above. So, let's go after digging into the DJ's other online accounts. What cave does he take tourists to? I have absolutely no idea. Let's see this. What cave? What cave, bro? Like, is it in here maybe? Let's see the photos. Alright. Oh, there's a cave right here. Just... anything saying about something about cave? Oh, I love this. Go somewhere else. What is the cave? Ooh. I think this should be it. I hope. I really, really hope it's this because... yes. Let's go. We still have time. Now we only need to solve this. When did the event take place? Which is this. Let's take this and search 2025. Oh, right here. It says 3rd to 5th of October, 2025. Let's go. Let's try it. Let's try it this. And check. I hope it's... yes. Let's go. Let's go. We finish it. Now we can join the CIA or something. I'm really, really glad that we solved this together. And I hope you are glad too. And if you enjoyed this, you might want to consider subscribing or anything, whatever you want. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.